Hey, Rudy. Good to see you. Dr. Zafran's ready to see you. You can go right in.
Ah, Rudy. Thanks for coming by today. I've been wanting to speak with you. You've been doing really well with your physical training, but I think it's time for us to move on to the most important training of all, your mental training.
Rudy, aren't you supposed to be training?
Rudy, your mental training. Imagination rules the world. The future is as boundless as the lofty heaven. Those who expect no gratitude will never be disappointed. Wise men avoid troubles, but fools search for them. There are many paths to the top of the mountain, but only one view. The smart thing is to expect the unexpected. When working towards a solution to a problem, it's always wise to know the answer first. A new romance awaits. Misfortune is never going to give you up, never going to let you down. To truly find yourself, it's best to play hide and seek alone. The great aim of education is not knowledge, but action. You will win, Mascot Madness.